It's Jessie, baby. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, get unready with me as I do my skincare routine and share the inspiration behind my upcoming album, Amoni. But first, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, TBM Skin. They've been an incredible partner on my journey to radiant skin. Be sure to use my promo code Jessie15 for a special discount at checkout. So skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. And that's exactly what Amoni represents, embracing harmony. If you didn't know, Amoni is Haitian Creole for harmony. Just like how I blend different elements in my music to create a unique sound, Amoni is a fusion of personal experiences, emotions, and musical influences. It's about finding that perfect balance, just like finding the right skincare routine for your skin type. When I discovered the power of harmony within myself and my music, everything changed. It's about embracing who you are, celebrating your journey, and finding unity within yourself and the world around you. That's what Amoni is all about, finding beauty and diversity and bringing it together as one. This album is a result of countless hours spent discovering, redefining my voice and music, a pursuit that has transformed me completely as an artist. Amoni captures the essence of harmony in every sense, from the seamless fusion of melodies to the interplay of the lyrics and the rhythm. Each song embodies the power of unity and beauty that arises when diverse elements come together as one. I just cannot believe that June 30th is around the corner, that I'm finally releasing an album after fighting and trying for the last 10 years. I cannot wait. So June 30th, don't forget, Amoni is going to be on all streaming platforms. And this is just a musical thing that celebrates the power of harmony and self-discovery. Don't forget to check out TBM Skin for your skincare needs using my promo code Jessie15 for a special discount. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.